Meet Yugo the Edge on Oak, a student home that blends modern minimalism with all the essentials to thrive in Minneapolis. These sleek studios and 1 to 2 bedroom apartments feature plush beds for comfy nights, floor-to-ceiling windows, in-unit washers and dryers for easy laundry, and the privacy of your own room and bathroom. No more surprise bills because water and speedy Wi-Fi are included in your rent. Grab your morning caffeine from the coffee bar to sip in the dining room, crush your fitness targets in the gym, hustle in shared study spaces, unwind under blue skies on the rooftop, and catch up with friends in the TV lounge. And bring your pet along. They're welcome here. With a 24-hour hotline and CCTV surveillance, your security is always guaranteed. Guess what? The University of Minnesota is practically next door, and Augsburg University is just minutes by car. The buses on Harvard Street Southeast and Oak Street Southeast, plus the East Bank Light Rail, make transit hassle-free. Join the student community at Yugo the Edge on Oak, Minneapolis via amberstudent.com today.